शतावरी Asparagus racemosus liliaceae family. Charaka mentioned as a balya vayasthapana bhavprakash gurutyadi varg. Shatavari two variety Shatavari and Mahashatavari. Introduction. One among the drug of Kantak Panchmol. Extensively used as a tonic, immunomodulatory. Rigveda and Atharvaveda mention it the Shatavirya and Sahasravirya. Powerful Rashayan Dravya. In Kashyap Samhita, Pushpa Shatavari Kalpa is indicated for infertility. Synonym Satavari, Shatapadi, Aviru, Vari, Narayani, Shatavirya, Pivari, Sukshmapatra, Rushyaprokta, Urdhvakanta, Kshvadurasa. Utpatti Sthan throughout India, wild and cultivatedly both. Habit spiny herb. Branches spiny, extensively branches with short rock stalk bearing numerous long fusiform tuberous root. Leaves reduced to spine. Leaf like a structure carrot which axillary cluster. Flower white in raceme fruit berry. गुणकर्म रस मधुर तिक्त गुरुस्निग्ध गुण शीतवीर्य मधुर विपाक वात पित्त शामक बल्य ब्रह्मण रसायन मेध्य शुक्रवर्धक स्तन्यवर्धक कर्म. इंडिकेशन दौर्बल्य स्तन्यक्षय वात विकार शुक्र दौर्बल्य. केमिकल कंपोजिशन शतावरी IV sitosterol saponin and rutin. शतावरी गुरुस दीक्षिता तिक्ता स्वाद्वी रसायनी मेदा अग्निपुष्टिदा स्निग्धा नेत्रा गुल्मातिसारजित शुक्रस्तन्य करी बल्या वात पित्तस्र शोफजित. डोज चूर्ण 3 to 6 grams, स्वरस 10 to 20 ml. Therapeutic use रक्त पित्त शतावरी give with milk. Arsha paste of Shatavari with milk. Shula Shatavari juice plus honey at morning time. Rashayana Shatavari Grit. Apashmara Shatavari milk. Stanyakshaya Shatavari root is grinded with milk and taken. Important formulation Shatavari Grit, Mahanarayan Tel, Shatavari Gud, Shatavari Churna, Shatavari Modak.